In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up the HubSpot Meeting Scheduler, a powerful tool that can streamline your scheduling process and improve your productivity. Setting it up is a straightforward process, but having a detailed guide will make navigating it a breeze. First up, you need to connect your calendar, whether it's Google Calendar or Office 365. This is essential as it will synchronize your calendar availability with the HubSpot Meetings tool. To do this, head over to your HubSpot account and click on Profile and Preferences, then General, and finally Calendar. Here, you'll find the option to connect to either your Google Calendar or Office 365 account. This step ensures all your appointments are updated seamlessly across platforms, reducing the risk of double booking or missed meetings. Now that your calendar is connected, you're ready to create a scheduling page. Navigate to the Sales tab and find the Meetings Scheduler section. Once there, click on Create Scheduling Page to choose the type of meeting that best suits your needs. If you're scheduling individual meetings with just yourself or another user, select One-on-One. For team meetings involving multiple team members, go with Group. And if you're looking to distribute meetings based on who's available, choose the Round-Robin type. Each meeting type will generate a unique scheduling page complete with its own link. With your scheduling page created, it's time to customize it. This is where you can really make it work for you. Start with the overview settings by entering an internal name for the event title, location, and how long each meeting will last. Then, move on to the scheduling settings. Define which days and times you're available, incorporate buffer times to avoid back-to-back meetings, and select the appropriate time zone to avoid any confusion for international participants. It's also beneficial to set up email and reminder notifications under the automation settings to keep everyone informed and on schedule. Don't forget about the confirmation settings, where you can tailor the confirmation messages, select redirect options, and even add payment links if necessary. Take some time to add your unique branding. Upload an avatar and tweak the page's appearance to reflect your personal style or company identity. Finally, it's time to share your scheduling page with potential meeting participants. This can be easily done via email, embedding it on your website, or integrating it with a live chat system. As people begin to book time with you, all meeting information will be automatically added to your HubSpot CRM and synced with the calendar you've connected. This ensures you have all the details you need at your fingertips, making your scheduling process as seamless and efficient as possible. By following these steps, you'll have set up a HubSpot meeting scheduler tailored to your needs, enhancing how you manage and conduct meetings. Happy scheduling!